Hello, this is Decimal, and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about DecadeBridge Entomo, a 6-oscillator analog drone synthesizer. I'm getting this article from Synth Anatomy. DecadeBridge Entomo is a 6-oscillator analog drone synthesizer with cross-modulation, making a limited edition comeback. So that's pretty interesting to hear. That is limited editions made by a British developer. As we can see here, we have a ton of switches, a patchable bay, volume knob, and we have power in here, a power switch, we have audio out, and some pentameters that deal that. Okay, so it's tone 1 to 6 and then oscillator 1 to 6 as well. So you can also decide in each channel whether the oscillator is going to be routed to the audio output and used as an external choice, and then there's another option to route external signals into each channel. There's no on and off switches or volume controls for each oscillator, so it's the patch bay itself that lets you activate the oscillators, which you have to use jumper wires to do so, as we see in this photo here. Now, because it's patchable, you do have a vertical row of switches that allow cross modulation between the oscillators. And this is great for disrupting and dictating the sound, according to the article. Because of this, you can add a bit more noise artifacting, so drone sounds that have rhythmic chatter and some glitchy effects as well. And there is also a global volume control. 9-volt battery powers the drone synth, or you can use a 9-volt center positive wall adapter. So it's portable with a 9-volt, or you can use the wall adapter. It's going to be available in limited edition qualities for 167 euros. And we have a video here. So I guess technically it's a reissue. Let's check out some of the sounds from this device. Okay, so there we hear the artifacting that can be caused by how you decide to patch it. It sounds like an analog drone synth. You know that if you guys have been on this channel for a while watching my content, you know that I cover lots and lots of drone synths. So yeah, it sounds like a drone synth, analog drone synth. Oh yeah, so they're doing a trick here where you can mess with the signals by using alligator clips and cables. So that's pretty interesting as well. Oh, but they don't. Okay, so they're doing this. I understand why they say no CV. They don't want voltages here. They just want more passive sort of ways to interface with this input and X. Is it yeah, in these inputs. It sounds like it's great for, you know, creating glitchy sounds. Cool stuff. I would love to hear this with some effects. All right, so what do you guys think of the Entomo? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.